guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I've got several things I'm going to talk to you about in this segment. One is Rachel Rosenthal and some of her favorite organizing products, and I'm going to mention a few tips from Mandy Smith. Her YouTube channel is Hey It's Mindy on YouTube, and her videos are mostly just watching her clean. And then we have Melissa Maker. Her YouTube channel, she tells you how to clean everything in your home. But we're going to talk just a little bit about cleaning floors. And then there's Angela Brown. We've talked about this before, but just some cleaning chemicals and safety. We're going to talk about that again. And then tomorrow we'll talk more about that. But we're going to talk about Jill Comes Clean, Jill Koch, and her hacks for cleaning. And we'll get that tomorrow. But right now, we're going to talk about Rachel Rosenthal. Rachel teaches how to use organizing products to achieve not only a magazine-worthy home, but to help reinforce the systems we create so that they are easier to maintain. Deciding what organizing products you want to use comes after you have categorized and decluttered. That's very important because you need all the extra space, and that helps you with maintenance as well. Just like we've talked about children's toys and rotating them so that they have just a small amount to play with, so that when they do pull all the toys out, it's easier to clean up. It's the same concept with our whole home. If we've got only the things we use and love, then it's so much easier. Cleaning the house is so much easier, and it's easier to keep clean. Now, Rachel's philosophy is rooted in the belief that organization can be achieved by all. I really believe that organization is just not about your physical space, but your mental well-being as well. She says, be careful not to make too many categories. There is a risk of overcomplicating your organization system as well. It's kind of, for me, like if I have a purse that has a lot of different pockets, I'm like, all right, I have a pocket for everything. But then there's so many pockets, I can't remember which pocket I put what item in. So for me, I'd rather have I have a small purse anyway. It just fits my phone and lipstick and my driver's license and debit cards. But if I were to carry a big purse, I work better by having a makeup pouch and a miscellaneous pouch, because all these little pockets, I won't remember which item is in which pocket, and it's kind of annoying to just have to search through every pocket just because. Now, if you can, and it's even better if you have see-through pouches, so you can see exactly what is organized in each pouch. Sometimes all I use is a Ziploc bag, the freezer bags, because they're thicker and they won't tear as easy. And that's really all you need, unless you're embarrassed. Then just buy some clear makeup bags and organize your stuff that way. But I am getting off subject. Unless you have custom organizers, you will most likely have drawers with some dead space. Put them to use. For example, in a kitchen drawer, store a knife there. Drawer dividers are a top organizing product because of their versatility. They come in a variety of sizes and materials. Shoe boxes are great for more than just shoes, and you can buy the plastic shoe boxes at Dollar Tree or Walmart or anywhere. They help protect against dust and are see-through, and they are stackable for wherever you use them. Acrylic drawer bins will work in drawers of any room. They come in multiple sizes to mix and match. They are also easy to wipe down. She says, decide what material will work best for your space. Do you want something clear where you can see what's inside, or do you want something that keeps the contents hidden? Also consider the color and the textures. You know, there's clear acrylic, there's bamboo, there's baskets, there's fabric, there's all types of stuff. Consider where the storage products will be kept. For example, will it need to stand up to water in the bathroom? Take into account the size of the storage item and the space it's going into, as well as the size of the items that are being stored. Make sure your bins fit the space properly, but not hanging off the edge or leaving a lot of dead space. All right, that is tips from Rachel Rosenthal, and I'll leave information to her below. And like I said, this Mandy Smith, she has Hey, It's Mandy on YouTube. Mandy invites you along while she cleans her home and front porch and shares her thoughts on real life cleaning that maybe isn't Instagram perfect. Incorporate a little fun to get through those mundane daily chores with some music and dancing. My goal, she says, is to reach as many people like herself as possible and to let you know that not everyone scrubs their toilets in their pearls and Louis Vuitton heels. That is just not real life. She says she's going to always do her YouTube in comfortable sweats and a t-shirt or just comfortable clothes. And she says we are not all perfect. We can't always spend every waking moment cleaning or organizing. It isn't fair to ourselves to spend our only day off doing laundry or washing dishes. It's okay to do a power hour to take care of the basics. Some of Mandy's favorite cleaning products are Scrub Daddy sponges, and I've seen that on a few of these kitchen cleaning YouTubes. Cedar Spin Mop, that one is also popular. And Spray Way glass cleaner, the pink stuff, and the Chum Chum pet roller for pet hair. She says make a task list of 2 to 5 things that can keep you ahead on cleaning. Set a timer for each task for about 5 to 10 minutes. Before you know it, you'll be done. You have done a lot in no time. Keep a small caddy of essentials handy with things like toothbrush, a pumice stone, and microfiber cloths. Use an inexpensive electric tea kettle. This is an idea I've never heard before, to quickly have boiling water for mopping the floors. Now, I do know this, the hotter the water, the faster it dries after you mop. So, maybe that, and plus the boiling water should kill germs pretty easily. All right, so that was Hey, It's Mandy. Hers was short because basically most of her videos you just watch her clean. Okay, and then we've got Melissa Maker. She had a lot of tips on cleaning floors. Melissa takes you into the world of mopping hard floors, explaining the various types of floors, the best mops, DIY cleaner recipes, and much more on her YouTube channel and her blog on her her blog on her website. Taking care of debris or taking care of the debris and dirty and the dry cleaning your floors first by sweeping or vacuuming should always proceed with the mopping. Melissa says, I'm here to help you find the quickest and most efficient way to get your cleaning done right the first time through teaching you about proper products, tools, and techniques. And I've been watching her YouTube channel for a very long time before I even started on the conference that I pay for every year, Organized HQ. I enroll in that every year, and she's on it every year, but I had already been watching her channel before then. So here's some things that she says. Hardwood floors can be broken down into 3 types. Stone, manufactured. Okay, hard floors can be broken down into 3 types. Stone, manufactured, and natural materials. A few common pitfalls when cleaning floors are choosing the wrong product, using too much product, and using a wet versus a damp mop. The top 3 mop recommendations are the flathead mop, and she also has a maker's mop herself, and the spin mop and a steam mop. Now, I did have the steam mop, It was kind of a clunky steam mop, and just to let you know, those are not made for all floor types. You can use those on linoleum, vinyl, but I had those old-fashioned I don't even know what they're called. The linoleum squares that they put on the floor, and they were already old and dry, and the steam really gets under there and loosens that up. So I would use it on vinyl and stone floors. Now, if it dries really, really fast, you might be able to use it on wood floors, but Melissa Maker says make sure you check with your manufacturer. The steam mop will always say yes because they're trying to sell you the steam mop, but always ask the manufacturer of your floors. They will know better. Always check with your manufacturer or installer for the best advice for how to clean your particular floors. Now, tips for how to mop less frequently. Wear clean slippers, socks, or indoor shoes. Have a shoes off policy in the home. Vacuum and sweep more often. Avoid using scent beads in your mop water. They are waxy and will leave a residue behind. Instead, use essential oils or light a candle to add a scent to the room. Also, she said if you use too much product to clean your floors, it can leave your floors sticky. If they feel sticky when you walk, then they're going to attract the dirt as well, and they're going to get dirty faster. I find that problem with the Swiffer. The Swiffer leaves too much product on my floors, and then when I walk across them, they feel sticky. My feet stick. My shoes stick. Be cautious about using laundry detergent to clean floors. It has been tested on clothing, but it has not been tested on anything else. Mixing too many commercially made cleaning products together can be dangerous. superfluous or bad for your floors. It is also a waste of money. Stick with DIY recipes that keep it simple and use ingredients that work but are not hard or expensive. So that was Melissa Maker. All right, and we already talked about Angela Brown, and her ideas, but I thought I'd add this in at the end because it just all goes together. I think we talked about cleaning chemical safety with Angela Brown, and she also has a YouTube channel. When we talked about cleaning toilets with Melissa Maker. But Angela clears up the confusion about which cleaning chemicals to use safely for each cleaning task by explaining pH levels and teaching us how to read product labels. Most of the cleaning chemicals we use in our home, we will want to be pH neutral, like in all-purpose cleaner, which is usually in the pH 7 to 10 range. She says, I don't want for us to buy whole bunches of cleaning chemicals. I want us to understand cleaning chemicals so that we know what we're buying and why we're buying it. Most cleaning supplies and chemicals only have an 18 to 24 month shelf life before they become unstable or not as effective. When you start mixing chemicals, you destroy the power of the cleaning chemicals, and more importantly, it can be fatal. So you do have to be careful what you mix together. Dawn dish soap is a great degreaser, and it is great at cleaning sinks of toothpaste, makeup, as well as cleaning soap scum from the shower. And I've started using the Dawn Power Wash with bleach in it for my bathroom shower. The ideal storage solution for cleaning chemicals is inside a broom closet with a locked door to keep out of reach of children. Smart labels make it easy to look up products to see if they are the right product for the surface you need to clean. Now, here are some things she says. When using acids like vinegar or lemon toilet water cleaner, use only as recommended by the manufacturer and for heavy-duty cleaning. They are very good on things such as shower scum, but it will etch surfaces such as glass. So be careful. Only use vinegar, lemon, and toilet bowl cleaner on things that will, like the toilet or shower tile, but not on things that it will etch. Use abrasives like the powders, non-scratch scrub sponges to break down things like hairspray on a bathtub or the kitchen or the bathroom countertops. Use detergents to remove dirt on dishes and laundry. They can come in the form of liquid, powders, or pods and are only active when they come in contact with water. Remove grease, ink, blood, and protein-based stains with degreasers. Now, alkalines are not going to be used a lot in cleaning the home because they are so strong. You can use them, though, to clean ovens and drains. All right, those are some of the products that are recommended by these ladies, and I'll leave information to these ladies in the description so you can find them on Instagram, YouTube, and all the their social media spots. And I hope it was informative. I hope it was useful. And again, like I said, we're gonna next talk about some more hacks for cleaning, and that one is a little bit lengthy. So that's why these shorter ones, I put all these shorter bits of information together, and I'm going to spend a little more time on the next podcast. All right, I thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.